So in 2 days program, first day I have told you the smart finance software. I have demonstrated you how smart analytic tool is going to help you for the option strategy building, especially crypto option strategy building, automated, how it can help you, that I told. Also, I have shown you various technical parameters, which is very important for one option trader to know what is the max pain, what is the volatility scenario, everything, and how the one standard deviation, two standard deviation differences. Many things I have told you. That is first day. Yesterday we studied about three different type of spreads. So horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. So when we say the horizontal spread, so vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. So mostly the horizontal and the diagonals are calendar type of spreads. Same strike, different month. It is known as horizontal. Diagonal means different strike, different month. Vertical, same month, different strike. So that is what the spreads, three different spreads we have uh, discussed, and these spreads are very important for your wealth building. So as I said to you in the first day of this event, if you recall, I said to you, here you have many opportunities, many, it is, you cannot count those opportunities, many opportunities to hedge and earn money. But for that, you have to set a goal first. You have to objectivize your trades, or you have to set a goal for your trade. Like you are studying, you are setting a goal now. So I am studying engineering and my goal is to become a big engineer and work in Google, Amazon, Infosys, all things is your goal. Similar way, if you are started saving some money, your goal will be there. I will be, after 10 years, I will be making my money to 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore. So you are setting a goal for every walk of your life. So if you are working, you are setting a goal. After 5 years, I will be in some other companies. If you are studying, you are setting a goal. So like this way, many places of your life, you set a goal. But 99% of cases, 99% or more than 99% of cases in trades, our traders never set a goal. That is the first mistake. So why they do not set a goal? Because they think it is a very easy activity. It's anything I buy, sell, that is trade. It is not that. Anything you buy or sell, it is a action. Whatever comes to your mind, you are just taking some action. That is not the trade. Trade must have one goal. So what is the goal we have to set for that? For every trade, we should have a goal to set. So here, when I talk about the goal, so come to more practical aspect. If you are intraday trader, what is your goal? If you are intraday trader, so your goal is by 3:30. So by 3:30, I'll be gaining some money. That is what your goal is. By 3:30, my gain should be there. So my gain should be there. Or by 3:30, I should earn some money from my trade actions. That is your goal. If you are an investor buying certain shares, so you are thinking that my goal is after 3 years or 2 years or 5 years, the stock should be at 5 multiple, 5x, 10x, 20x. That is your goal. So when you set a goal, you have to work towards the goal. It is simply, you can, if you are saying that no, I bought one particular share at X price and my goal is that after 5 years it will give me 5x. Simply it won't happen. This is your goal. But why the X should obey that? X will defy that. X will not obey that. So you need to observe his balance sheet. You need to see his earnings. You need to see all the noise and anything comes about that company every day basis. So then when you are thinking that it is not in line with your goal, not compromise or compromising many factors, you will be open to quit also. Because if it is not meeting your goal criteria or it is not meeting your objective, you must be in a position to quit that also. Fine. So this is what in the goal. So here we are going to set some goal. So here what are the things? We are a trader. Here, as I said to you, I'll never ever recommend that you chase intraday. Keep it in writing. Zero intraday, zero leverage. Two principles I am following here in crypto market. Zero leverage. Though the exchange gives 200 times of leverage, but my objective, zero leverage. My money is 1 lakh. I'll do the trade in 1 lakh. I don't want any 1,50,000, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, nothing. But I have 20,000, I will do the trade only in 20,000. Zero leverage, zero intraday. So these two are my key principles here. But I will be gaining many facilities or many other things from this particular trade. So these two things, my basic discipline, you can say, basic criteria, you can say, basic need, you can say. I restrict myself. I will not take leverage. I will not do intraday. Why I do like this? Because it is a crypto market. It is having advantage of volatility, advantage of going to any extent. It can go to 100% in one day also. Same time it can fall 100% also one day. So it has an advantage volatility, but price is not regulated. It can go to any extent, and it is a why I do not want to take leverage. The reason, it is a non-regulated market, 24-hour market. I cannot allot for 24-hour. I cannot make myself allot for 24-hour. For that, I am not taking any leverage. Leverage I will not take. Even though if I take, it will be very less, which is within my comfort zone. Very less. Means 1x. I have 1 lakh. I can take 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs leverage. That much. Not like that. Not more than that. Fine. So this is what our objective setting first. Basic discipline. Second part is we have to, after setting this thing, we have to set a goal. What is a goal? Say I am a working professional. I want weekly to make some money. Weekly, every week I will be making some money. I cannot enter every day. Weekly I want to make money. Or I want one monthly, like a paycheck, I want a money. That is also possible. Or daily some small chunks of money I want, it should come to my pocket. So I'll go with the more smooth way of weekly earning. So then we will come to the daily earning. So before that, before I go to that, so first try to understand the time value of money and intrinsic value of the money. So currently, if you see, I have two weekly options are open. One, 25 April also is one of the weekly options. They are all daily options these 3 days. 2nd May is weekly option. Post 25th or after couple of days, one more weekly option also will be enabled here. So I am just focusing in one parameter, one strike, and that particular strike will be observing for daily, weekly, as well as say 84,000 call option of 18th expiry. 18th is a weekly contract again. So 18th expiry, 84,000 call option is trading at 884 rupees seller. This is buyer. In between there is a mark price. Means since there is a huge spread exists here, so exchange is telling that okay, it is neither yours nor mine. This is the price, you finalize the deal. So in case they have to liquidate your position, they will go with the mark price. So considering this mark price as 874 and Bitcoin is quoting at 360 rupees. Now it has changed. So 360, 84, 380, 84, 380. So 380 rupees is intrinsic value because strike is 84. So 84 means it has the money value of 380 rupees. So 374, if you make it also, it will be more round enough and we can do some calculations. So it is having 500 rupees or 500 points or $500 as intrinsic value. This is having $370 as its money value. How much time is left? Time is only 22 hours is left. Means tomorrow 5:30, this 500 time value will go on. So that is one. Now go to next day, same strike next day, 19th April, 84 strike here. You can see here 84,000 call. 1192, 1184 is the mark price. So mark price is 1184. So I change the pen color. So 1184, 84, and I am using the same thing here, though it has changed here now. So you can say 300 and same 370 if I can make it here. So you are saying that. So almost, so 14 700 points time value. So every day you go one above other. So first day you are seeing 500 time value, second day 700 time value, third day some other time value 800, 900 something will be there. If I go to 25th April, same strike. So what is there? 2470, 500 is their value. So 2000 rupees or 2000 points or $2000 is the time value for 25th April. Understood this time value, intrinsic value component or not? I'm just rounding off. So rounding off. So not exact value you will not. So exact value you will not get. So what is the intrinsic and the time? I hope many of you knew this, because without these fundamental things, don't touch option at all. If you do not know what is intrinsic value, what is time value, so Bitcoin we are considering 84,370. We are taking 18th April expiry, 19th April expiry, and we are taking the 25th April expiry. So 3 expiries we have, and we are considering 84,000 call option. Okay, so one place 18th is trading at 870 rupees. Just for example sake I am telling it. And this is trading at 1170. This is trading at 2414. So 414, all are in US dollars. So intrinsic value how much? From 84 to 84,370. What is the distance? So 84,370 is my Bitcoin value minus my strike price is 84,000. So this is my intrinsic. So intrinsic is common everywhere. Which intrinsic for all it will be same. So what is the difference will be there? Time value. For 18th April, time value is this much. For 19th April, time value will be this much, because intrinsic common for all, and for 25th April, time value will be different. Understood or not? After seeing this Excel, understood or not? Yes, no, something, some reaction, smile, hands. So intrinsic common, time value different, strikes same. So now we'll do some workings here. From 18th to 25th, how many days are there? So if I take 25 minus 18 plus 1, so this many days are left, isn't it? So this many days are left, plus 1. So from today onwards, if I count, how many days are there? 8 days. So 8 days, which is having only 22 hours to expiry, 7 plus 1, 8 days. That particular day also need to be counted. So 25th minus 18 plus 1, because that 25th also is a day. So 25, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So count in this in your finger. 18 was 1, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 8 days we have till expiry. So I'll think here. One option which is having only 22 hours till expiry means it is 2 hours less from 1 day is having 500 rupee 500 points as time value. One option which is having 8 days till expiry, it is having 2000. So if I go by $500 per day, then 8 days means how much time value I should get? 500 into 8. So 4000 point time value I should get. So I am getting only 2000 here. So that means 2000 time value scope I have to earn. So because this 2000 time value, it is visible. But if I go by this logic of 500 per day, then in 8 days time value should be 400. Means every day at 7 o'clock 20 minutes. Now we are recording it at or in the session at 7 o'clock 20 minutes. Every day 7 o'clock 20 minutes. If the IV remains same, whatever IV it is there, if it is remains same, so strike should have 500 as a time at the money strike, or the strike which is having 370 rupees as intrinsic value should have a time value of 500. In that process 400 points 4000 points I have a scope, but monthly options I have only 2000 points scope. How I should capitalize on that? How I should capitalize on that? Can anyone will tell me? If I do in this way one trade, imagine if I buy 84,000 call, now the trade 84,000 call of 25th April expiry, 25th April expiry, how much I have to pay? I have to pay $2,414 per 1,000 lots. For one lot it is $2. So if I sell 18th fin means I'll be getting one calendar type of spread. So this 870 rupees I got because it is having 2000 point as a time value. So here I am getting 500 point time value. So if I keep on selling it, today 800 point I made. So tomorrow also I'll sell the same strike. Like 19th also I'll sell the same 84. 20th also I'll sell the same 84. If I keep on selling it till 24th of April, 24th of April, so 7 days I should be gaining 3500 points as a my time value, and I will be sacrificing 2000 points, and my net profit will be 1500 points. Provided intrinsic I am not counting, intrinsic is common here. I am not changing the strike. Every day same strike I will sell at 7 o'clock 20 minutes. What I will do? First day I will be buying this one 84,000 call option 25th April. Done. Next day anything happens, let Bitcoin go to 87,000, let Bitcoin come to 80,000 tomorrow. Same time 7 o'clock 20 minutes. Because that time only I have taken this position. I want 500 points. Same strike again I will sell. Because this will be 5:30 it will get over. Or 5:30 it is expiring. Means tomorrow 5 o'clock 30 minutes. This 18th April position will get expired. Whatever intrinsic it will be, you have to pay or you will get, but the time value 500 is gone. So every day 5:30 same 84,000 strike I will keep on selling. If I continue for 7 days, 500 into 7, 3,500 I will receive, 2,000 I am sacrificing, so 1,500 point I will make the profit. Whether you got this logic or not, whether you got this, okay? So Ranjan is saying, so every day 500 points if I am getting, so 7 days, so every day 500 you won't get, sometimes 500, sometimes 300, sometimes 200, sometimes 100. So some values will be there. So 7 days, so 7 days So we are expecting 2000 points. We can get some 1000 point or 1100 points we can get. It has a drawbacks also. So next faster day you are not buying. So what I said you understood completely different. So what I said, 25th April 84,000 call option you are buying. So you understood faster day buy, second day sell. What way? 25th today which date? 17th. How 25th April become first second day for you? So first this is what call you are buying today now during the program, and you are selling which date? 18th, tomorrow expiry. Same 84,000 call option of tomorrow expiry. Sell calendar. One day you will not get the profit because you are paying 2,400 here, receiving only 870. So 2,414 you have paid, 870 you receive, remaining is your money. Tomorrow say it has gone to 85,000 or it come to 83,000. Anything happens, you are going to tomorrow. This is 18th. 18th 5:30, 5 o'clock 30 minutes. This position will be automatically closed by the exchange. Again for 19th on that time, same 84,000 strike call you can sell. This is already there, no action need to be taken. So this you sell. Whatever price, it may be 1,500, it may be 2,500, it may be 100, anything you can. So you can keep on selling this one. Very next day, 20th, same strike, sell. Very next day, 21st, sell. How many days? Till 24th of April, you keep on selling. So what happens after 3 days? Because first day you are getting 500 point as a time value. 3 days period, if you keep on getting the time value in your hand, so what happens? The time decay factor on 4th day, after selling 18th, 19th, 21st, you will be entering to profit. Irrespective of these options becoming in the money or at the money. I repeat the word, in the money or at the money or slightly out of money. It has a risk also. What is the risk? If it become in the money, no issues. You can keep on selling. Some intrinsic will be common everywhere. So less time value will come to you. Instead of 500, 300, 200, 100 you will get. However, in case of deep out of money, what will happen? This premium will decay very fast, and only 800 you have received it. So remaining will be lost. Means if it falls to 80,000 or it goes to 75,000. So this is the case of problem. So how to counter that problem? To solve that problem, we have taken for call, add one put also. 84,000 put. So one becomes deep in the money. In the money, we do not have the problem. At the money, we do not have the problem. When it is out of money, we have the problem. So one call and one put of 25th April expiry you can buy, and you keep selling the one call and one put of the 18th expiry. First day you won't get profit again, you say. Second day also you won't get. Post third day, your profit will start coming. So similar kind of many type of trades you can initiate. Many type. I'm not telling about one type. Many type of trades you can initiate. Understood this part or not? Again, I am repeating, understood. Now you don't enter. Understood it or not, you tell me. Why we are getting? Because the daily expiry options are maintaining a privilege, or it is maintaining a privilege to have more time value as compared to the monthly option. So if I go to the same way for 30th May, 30th May, you see that 30th May, April we are ending. So 30th May, 84,000 call option, trading at 6080 USD. 6080 USD. So how many days you are having? Full 30 days in May, and we are having here almost 8 days. So not 8 days, the 30 minus the 14 day, 13 to 14 days. So 44 days are there. So I can say 44 days are there. It is having based on 84 424 or 420. So May month monthly contract I am saying it is having 0 6 9 9 9 4 as 5 and 5. So you can see in this order 5560 is the time value in 5560 is the time value in May month contract. So here 30th May same 84,000 contract which is having how much 6665 so 84,000 6092. This is if I am buying seller price 6092 and my price is here 84,420. Price has changed, so I have changed it here also. So you can say here I will be having the intrinsic as so 84,420 minus strike of 84,000. Understood? So remaining is time value. So time value is how much? This minus this 5,600. So 30th May, from today to 30th May, how many days are there? So here 13 days and there 30 days, 43 days. So if you divide here, so 5,600 time value should decay in 43 days. So per day 130 rupees time value decay will be there. But per day how much you are getting here time value decay 500. Forget about it 25th April. You forget this, you remember this. So per day how much you are getting here? Time value decay 132. Per day how much you are receiving? 500. How much the difference? So your approximate theta earning will be 500 minus 130. So this will be varying slightly up and down. If you are just moving by 2000 point up or 2000 point down, say 86,000 if it goes, no issues. Or 87,000 it goes, no issues. It comes to 84, no issues. It comes to 81, no issues. It goes below 80,000, issues. Because these 5,600 points of time value will decay much faster. Much faster as long as it maintains ATM, ATM or ATM or just OTM at the money or just OTM or in the money, it is okay. So to counter that, what we have to do? We can take May month one call and put. Daily expiry, we can keep on selling the same strike call and put options till this price move with a 4,000 point band for easy understanding. Till 88,000 or till 80,000 if it is maintained for 5 days. So if Bitcoin maintains in the band of 88,000 to 80,000 for 5 days period, after second or third day we will start making money and that money will be with us, and then after if it is crossing this level then we will be at a small loss, not a big loss, small loss. This all of you, no leverage. I am not taking any leverage. I have 50,000 rupees. One contract of Bitcoin future is how much? One contract value of Bitcoin future is how much? One lot is this much. So if I go for one lot, so one lot of Bitcoin, so its value is one lot $84 only. If I buy one lot of future, Bitcoin future at this price, one lot is 0.001 of this. You multiply 001 means 2 days, so 0.001, isn't it? 0.001. So 84,320.001. How much value? 84,320 multiplied with 0.001. How much comes? What is the contract value? Net contract value $84. Rupee wise, because here fixed rate, so 84 into 85 is how much? 7,000. One contract value is only 7,000. How much? One lot is only 7,000. See, one comparative analysis you can have here. Suppose if I have 7,000 rupees, I took one lot. Means I am hedged till 1,100, means all 100%. Because if I have 7,200 rupees, if Bitcoin goes to zero, then my money will go. That is because I have not taken any leverage at all, isn't it? If I have 7,200 rupees in my trading account and I bought only one lot of Bitcoin, 84.32. So when broker will close my position? When Bitcoin becomes zero. Understood that or not? Or feeling sleepy? Because this is a very good time to sleep. You do it properly, मालामाल कर देगा, इतना पैसा देगा आप खुद ही मालामाल हो जाओगे. So means it has a huge scope to earn money, huge scope, without taking leverage. Okay, you understood one lot of the things I took. 84, one lot of Bitcoin I am talking about. Now I'll hedge it. Why I should wait for these things? I'll go for option. I'll go for May month. It is 84,265. I'll go for 85,000 call. Sorry, 85,000 put. 85,000 put is trading at what? 5515. 5515. So 5515. So that also one lot same. 5515 into 0.001. So one lot of option if I am buying. Put option, how much I am paying? $5. In rupee terms, how much? This multiplied with 85. So 468 rupees I have paid to hedge it. Understood? Understood this or not? $5.5 I paid and I bought this future by one lot future. I have also buy a put, 85,000 put buy, and that too which expiry? By 30th May expiry. 30th May expiry. 30th May expiry I bought it. Got it. $5 I paid. Bought it. Looks very good. Great. Soothing. All things you can say. So May month I have bought one 85,000 put at 5531 and I made that things. Now what I have to do? I'll not be going for again May month contract to hedge and all. From 18th onwards I will start and I'll be selling say 85,000 contract or 85,000, same 85,000 contract I am selling at $300. I'll be selling every day. 84,320 was there. So 85,000 call option of sell, covered call I will do. Sell, which expiry? First 18th April expiry. April expiry at what price? 300 USD into 0.001. So how much I received? 0.3. 0.3. So I have received $0.3 in money terms. How much I have got? 0.3 into 85. Everywhere we are taking 85. So 25 rupees you have received. Isn't it? So till this point it is clear. So 19th came because this $300 tomorrow if it is going to 85, 0. If it is below 85, 0. Going above 85, whatever intrinsic it will add, but time value will be 0. Every day considering this is giving me 300 points of time value till May 30th. How many days I am having? 43 days. So if I get 43 days, out of 43 days, say 40, it is 300. I am telling 43 days you should get, or 40 days you say 3 days you leave it because it is not having leave, but still 40 days if you get that same 25 rupees time value is there. How much you will get? 40 days. How much you will earn? 1020. Your hedging cost is 468. I'm not taking the time value component of this because out of this 5.5 you are having $3 as a intrinsic value. So still how much you will be making? If you $300 time value is there, every day if you say 40 days, if you are making for 551 rupees you will make. So 500 risk reward थोड़ा देख ले. So intrinsic के हिसाब से if intrinsic value will be taken into consideration, you have a risk of 200 rupees or 150 rupees. Every day basis you are earning 551 rupees, rough estimate. Sometime if the price goes very near to 85, so thoda means you will get a little more theta. Sometime it goes to 86 and comes back to 85, so delta also will come, theta also will come. So this is a conservative estimate to get 551 rupees. However, real estimate will be much above. Real estimate. Proof. What is the proof? Those who have joined the program, they are seeing this. This trade from 1st April, 135 lots is being taken. It is being estimated at the 84,920. Now it should be different something. When this last rollover happened or today evening, 84,920 estimation was there. So put also would have been. So far on 17 days, how much it has given? $868 given. Out of that, $151 taken as a expenses. So $720. In between also some critical adjustment is being done. It's not a smooth journey. Big fall happen, critical adjustment done. So this is the earning. So little bit have a comparison with its volume. I told you 135 plots. 135 plots multiplied with 135 plots multiplied with 84,920. 84,920. This is the value of the trade. 84,920 into lot size is 0.001. So what is the value? $11,464. In rupee terms, it is having 85. So what is the value? 9,74,000 is the contract value. Total contract value. 9,74,000. End of the day today, how much I am sitting in the profit? 867 into 85. 73,740. I am taking $153 as a expenses from here in this things. It is much less than that, but still. So I am taking this value expenses. So this part, if I multiply 60,000 profit, I am sitting as on 17th of April. I have still 13 days remaining. Rollovers happened. Still some profits are yet to come if this continues. Till now, how much realization it is there? How much realization there? 6% returns it has given in 17 days. Small slippage is there, that also we are generously entering that. Not slippage, $100 slippage also we are accepting, $200 also accepting. So sometimes putting a bid and ask, $100, $150 also we are accepting the trades. 6% it is not being maintained now. Last month also maintained. Last month when the program happened, two option strategies in the crypto. I told you, convey you this same strategy. 17 days over, it is sitting with a 6% return. Still 13 days are there post expenses. 30% tax also, if you take into out that also, I am, if I make another 1 or 2% also, 6 already made, another 2-3% if it comes, 9%. Work out in a year how much you are getting. What is the rocket science here? 3 trades, daily 1 trade rollover. Some critical time you need some critical time. Sometimes when the Bitcoin has fallen badly, we take some action. We have made these things. So yes, it is 30% taxable. 30% taxable. Your F&O income is 30%. Here also this is 30% taxable. Your F&O also 30% taxable business income. This also is a business income. 30% taxable. So here with this leverage, no leverage. I have not taken any leverage. My money I paid. So this is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs worth of position I have taken. Hedged it. So 10 lakhs is not completely into the. Now also we have moved it to 30th May. Position is being moved 4,600. 83,000 put is being taken. This chain is continuing. We are going on selling the 84,000 call from the past 3 days. Fourth is coming. Sometimes next day some theta will not get. We are revealing the next to next day. So that flexibility also is there. But this earning is the judiciously taken. Here also $300 loss being taken. So here the rollover of that options. So future has barely moved anything. So in that 60-70 now current price also, if you see, future will be lesser than that. So another, so what this is being made. So they are not that. So this is similar thing I am telling here. Similar thing I am telling here. So this is logically, scientifically, mathematically you are earning it. That is different. That is there. So that we are willing to take it. So that part is there. So that part is there. Those who have joined that program, they are getting that flexibility of doing that adjustments and other things. So if you are comfortable with that things, those adjustments you have to do of your own. So if you are not comfortable, you want a hand holding for this particular things, then that program we have scheduled for that. So that adjustment we suggest that. So here also I told you that those who are opening the account and starting that things, similar way in a very lesser scale we can give, because they will learn in depth many strategies, in depth and other things. But you won't get that thing simply by opening one account. We will be getting 10 rupees from you per day. So that doesn't make a money worthy to train you for entire year free of cost. That you don't expect. So those who have paid, because those people paid 48,000, 60,000 per year, so they spend for that thing. So they are, but they some extended helps they will get in that crypto analytic program. So that is what is Lakhpati program. So he said that I have, my commitment was there, I should make them Lakhpati by year end. By second month itself, all of them are Lakhpati if they have utilized the proper way. So they are paying some, but 48,000 means somewhat some extended helps they are going to get. So but do not get means disappointed for that. If you have opened a account through the referral codes, adjustments, that similar kind of help you will get. You will not get on many strategies, 1 or 2 strategies which is going to give you constant gain, that also you will get. That also you will get. So it is not that you are not paid means you will not get. You will get, but not the way they get. 5 strategies they carry, 5 strategies they put. They have put a bigger money. So 5 to 10 lakhs they put in the account. They do the things. So they maintain the record. We maintain their record. We maintain our record. We constantly in touch with them. So that is different. But here those who have utilized referral code, utilize the things open. So to them also we have some responsibility, but a scale down responsibility. 1 or 2 strategies, but adjustment will be given. Adjustment will be told. But for that, you have to ask me, it has happened now, what is the adjustment I should take? voluntarily will not tell. So that will be based on your requirement, but that scope is there. So forget about who is going to help you how much. Focus on that, what scope it gives and scope from where it generates. I have told you the 18th expiry, 18th, now it is 63. You can say 18th expiry, 84,000 call option is having now 550 rupees time value, which is going to die down tomorrow. However, the 30th May, same expiry 84,000. So it is having 5,800 as a time value, or 5,063 if you less it out. So, but this will die down in 43 days. So what is its theta? So if you just go in the very technical way, so theta of this option is how much? 66 points per day. What is the theta of this particular day's option? Or its same strike, theta is 335. So the option what you are selling is giving you 335 theta. Option what you are buying is taking 67 theta. So this money you have to earn cleverly, intelligently, smart way. You form any strategy, this difference you have to earn. If you start earning that, then you are winner. So let the strategy should be calendar related, horizontal spread, vertical spread, diagonal spread, or any kind of spread. You need to find out a way. This 335 theta, 67 theta. This 67 also required. If you do not sacrifice anything, you won't get everything. So this 65 you have to sacrifice. This 335 you have to gain. Every day you have to gain. Every day you have to gain. 5 days if you gain, 10 days if you gain, net comes to profitable. And here again I say, you are earning in a smart way, in a calculative way, in a mathematical way. No hypothesis here. No hypothetical way. No, you initiate the position, dream it will come. No, I didn't say that a dream it will come. It will come, I am saying it will come. No. Mathematically it is giving you. It is your rights to get. You have implemented the strategy, you set a goal. I have to earn from theta, it is coming to you. That's all. Understood this point? Or buy future Bitcoin one lot. So you require some 10-12,000 rupees in your account. 85,000 put option of 30th May expiry, you buy one lot. Keep selling 85,000 call option of 18th expiry. Tomorrow again 530 you will be selling for 19th expiry. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow you will sell for the same. How long you will keep on selling? Till Bitcoin has not gone below 80,000 or Bitcoin has not gone above 89,000. For 5,000 points you can put it. Till this has not happened, keep on selling 85,000 call option, irrespective of it's out of money, in the money, at the money, whatever money it is there, you keep on selling. You will tell me after 4 days, not for 40 days. After 4 days, this position will come to profit. Today, if you initiate now, 17, 18, 19, 20th, by 20th evening, you will ping me and tell that, sir, I am in profit. And that profit will keep on increasing day by day. 15 days if you keep it, 15 days every day, not a big money, but still 15 days, some 5 to 600 rupees you will get. 7,000 rupees you are taking position, how much more you will get? Your total investment in this trade is only 7 to 9,000 rupees. In this 9,000 rupees, if 15 days, if you are getting 500 rupees with one lot, that itself is a big money. 300 comes also, it is big money. I am saying. So that is what opportunities this field has. You have my referral. I will help you to adjustment. If you have not benefited me, my referral is not there, nothing is there, then why should I help you? That is also clear. It should be a win and win game for all. If you have utilized my, if you are going to utilize my expertise, sometime and grow your money. It is a money earning things. So same time, you must reward Smart Finance for its work, for its involvement, for its sacrifice, for its all things. So this is what the strategy the software is giving. If you click here, now it is fetching the strategy what I have told you, the similar strategy it is recommending here. So for the strategy with the future what I have told you, similar strategy, the same strategy it will repeat here, but it is only 2 to 3 modules we have activated. After few days software will activate many things. What strategy it has recommended? Same strategy or not? It is only refining the strike. You take this put, buy this, sell this call. So every day you will be selling this call. So this particular you will be. So this is also 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, one account. So this also having the open position 60 lots. So same future 84 call sold 2-3 days back, $100 it is giving. So it is having also 83,000 put today, which is being moved to the May month. So this is also at a break even. So it is keep on giving same way we have Ethereum. So net. So it is having, so same way also it is having, so net this particular. So this is also 2 lakhs rupees worth of the things. So still many profits are being taken today. If all positions are being closed, how much it will give? $300 it will give. 300 is coming to how much money? 25,000. 25,000 is coming. If all it is accumulated, some profit is already realized, some profit is already sitting in the book. So how much capital? It was not originally 1.58. It was much before, much less. Now it has no leverage is being taken. It's a great money. But thing is that you have to learn, you have to put the efforts, smart way of learning you have to do and do the things. So if you count all those pennies, then how you will study? Read. You'll say, no, I am paying 4,000 to Ranjan. Then I am paying this. I am also sitting for 1 hour. My cost is 100 rupees per hour. How much I will gain? You don't study. Easy things. Don't pay me, don't study. Don't utilize this facility. My duty is to show you and proof it mathematically, produce the, it is no fictitious record. It is brokerages are different here. It is, there is no concept called brokerage is in the crypto. In crypto it is there maker fee, taker fee. Maker fee and taker fee. What is maker fee and what is taker fee? If you put market order, you have to pay the brokerage. Suppose 0.03%, 0.3%. If you put a market order, means you don't want to wait. Punch, yes, go and buy. You have to pay brokerage 0.03 taker. If you are putting a limit order and this order is getting executed after 20 seconds, what will happen? You will receive this 0.03 from that fellow who is taking your things. So where you paid? Expenses still will be there. So consider that expenses as a 20%, 25% also on that gain. 20% it will go. Yes, STT, all things are not there. So hardly STT, stamp duty, like stock market, it is not there. So it is hardly some 18 to 20% it will take. Not even 20%, less than 15% it may come. 15 to 16% it will come. Here's the 3 wings, 3 positions. If you are carrying only 1 position, you are closing every day. Na? If you have 3 legs, 2 legs are silently sitting for 20 days. Only 1 leg is closed, 1 leg is open. So only 1 trade in a day. First day 3 trades. But first day 3 trades. Next day 1 close, 1 open. If it is deep out of money, don't go close it. allow the exchange to square it off. So no brokerage. So here in crypto domain, there is no concept called brokerage, maker fee, taker fee. So whoever is a liquidity giver, he receives that brokerage. Whoever is a liquidity taker, he pays for that. So difference between maker fee minus, so taker fee minus maker fee, that difference is the brokerage for the platform. So that is the platform tax. If taker fee gives you 5%, maker fee is 3%. So 5 minus 3, 2% goes to the platform. Here, with a proper things, we are seeing this in front of you itself. It is there. Lot of, so it is hardly some, I think 1,10,000 one account, test account. This is a test account which I have created for all, for testing the strategies and helping the people, or to recommend the people in our program. So this is a test account which has started with some 1 lakh rupees only started. 2 months it has grown to this. GST will be on that, whatever the platform taken. So on that GST of 18% they will take. In this account, how much money is there? Near to $1,600. How much it is utilized? Only to $500. $400 to $500 is being utilized. Others are not utilized at all. So $1,100 is just like that, it is sitting. Because I don't want the leverage at all. I don't want to take that leverage. For that only, this is being kept less than 15%. For 1 lot, Hanumanthji, if you put 1 lot for testing for a couple of days, 8 to 9,000 is enough. 8 to 9,000 rupees you can put with 1 lot, you can implement. Still you will have that 9,000 also, big, hardly some 2,000 or 1,000 rupees you will be utilizing. Your contract is 7,000 8,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees extra you put for testing. Then after testing for 2-3 weeks, if you decide, you can scale it up. Many strategy can be formed. It is, don't think that this is the only one strategy which gives. Many ways this strategy can be improvised to increase the returns. So if you see whatever I have shown in this particular, so this thing, we have done many adjustments. Without adjustment, it is only $300 to $400. But the in between, whatever the adjustments we have taken, so this adjustment added 114, and great money we have added. So when there is a big fall, we have made the adjustments and made some good money here. Some $300 we have, almost $277 we have added here, because money was there. We are not using the leverage, so that opportunity came. So that couple of days we have utilized the leverage. 2-3 days we have utilized the leverage and made money. Some $277 we made. So situation, because we are entering in a quiet stage, and once that quiet stage is over, so we are, if situation comes, we will interfere in that market and make some money. So enhancements will be there, more enhancements will be there. But if you stick to only that strategy also, you can easily get that wins some money. But slight bit of enhancements with 4,000, 5,000 point ups or downs, if it happens, then it creates some opportunity. Why not exercise that opportunity and make some good money? That is what the context is. So initially you will take a plan, but once opportunity comes, you have to utilize it and make the things. Have opened the account. Again, I repeat, those who have opened the account with referral code, if they wish to, it is purely your discretion. If you wish to initiate the position, you can message me by WhatsApp to this number. Only these numbers. So note this number, WhatsApp to 63817 09819. 09819, and only to this number. Do not take, if you have any confusion, do not take any position. Do not take any position and just WhatsApp me to these things. If it is linked to my referral, do not initiate, fund some money for testing purpose, 9 to 10,000 rupees you fund, add to that money. Because without money, he will not allow you to take the position. With one lot, you start one lot. That much of a risk if you do not take, I can't help you. I can't pay you that 10,000. So 63817099819 you send here. Sir, I put, this is my Delta ID. I put 10,000 rupees. Suggest me the position, I will suggest. And also I will tell when again you have to contact me if the price comes for adjustment. So by this process I can help you. 2-3 days, 5 days, 6 days, if I can give the time, it will be wonderful for you and you will start earning money. And many of you are active traders. Once somebody guides you for 15 days, your job is done. You yourself can able to take the control. Okay, you have opened up the account with our referral. So 1 or 2 strategies I will give you. So that strategies keep following, but that doesn't mean that that strategy is the final one and that doesn't require any change, and like a ATM machine it will be giving you the money. Not like that. I'll tell you when it requires the adjustment. Once the price breaches that, since you are not taking you are not taking leverage, so don't worry, peacefully you can sleep in the night. Next day, if you are seeing that it has threshold price is being reached, you message me, wait for my message answer, then take the actions. This is one. Second, those who are putting bigger money. So to bigger money, I am saying that when you put the money, which will be 1 to 2 lakhs plus, 1 lakh plus, you can say. As a retail trader, 1 lakh also is a big money. 1 to 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs things is there. So in that case, I will request you enroll for that program. So you are not going to lose that money if you that 3 to 4,000 rupees which is going to cost you, but you will be in a group, you will be learning a lot, people will be discussing, from there you will be learning, real-time activities will be there, many strategies will learn, because you have a capacity of that money. So that 1 lakh may grow to 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs after couple of months. That time you require the feedings of more strategies and all. You need to utilize all opportunities as and when your confidence levels are going to increase. So that those are the things is very important. So be in that part of that program and utilize it, and you should get more benefit out of that. And once you pinpoint the strategy, once you master 2 to 3 strategies and that yield structures are stabilized, so increase the positions there, and that some 2-3 strategies you increase your positions. Then other test strategies whatever will be giving, you can just make a test strategy and do it. So that also you can do. So these are the things for this program, and hope I have explained everything whatever you required. And it is a difficult subject, it is a wonderful subject, it has lot of scopes to earn money, same time it has lot of difficulties to understand. So these are the things are there. Anything which has a larger scope to earn, having complexities also, isn't it? If you take the suggestions, structures recommended by me, suggestions recommended by me, learnings recommended by me, then definitely you are going to make money out of this. Structures required, suggestions required. If you yourself say that no, 700 going to 1400, I will buy gamble dance jump, then that is your risk you have taken. I have no say. But in a structured way, in a logical way, in a mathematical way, if you want to make it, it will be slow, steady, and beautiful. Slow, steady, beautiful, and earnings will be phenomenally great. Phenomenally great. And non-comparable with Nifty and capital market earning. Capital market earning to achieve 20% per annum post 20% per annum post expenses, too difficult nowadays because of new margin and other things. But here I have shown you in 17 days it has given you 6% return post expenses. If it gives 10% per month, another 3-4%, no, let's say 6%, same 6% average per year, per month. It comes to 72. Where is 20? Where is 72? Where is 60? Where is 72? And you can recall it. Many of you would have not observed it. I am again telling. When this 3 days back, when that program started, we have started when the program? When we have started the program? When this program started? Today is 17th. Isn't it? 15th, 16th, 17th. 15th recording, you see how much money was there in that account. 15th, when we started, this program has not ended. For your evidence, I have not withdrawn anything, nothing I did. 15th, when this program has started, I was using the same account, same interface. This figure will be somewhere, it will be recorded. See how much was there. 16th gone, today is 3rd day, 17th. How much is here? You check it. That means that growth has come now. This much you can able to do. I will not show you all trades and all what you have done. This you can compare. Another 3 days is there. 18th, 19th, 20th. After 20th, you can see how much it is there. That you can do 1.54. Perfectly, Om Prakash is told. It was 1.54. Now it is showing 1.58. So there is an addition of a 4K happened during these things. How much you want? 1,50,000, 1,000, it has added. This is once the trade is closed, all expenses it has taken. 15, 16, 17, 3 days. For tomorrow program, you will say that it may go to the 70, 1,60,000 or 59. Some ups and downs will be there, but we are not bothered about that. So this is being added. Na? This itself is evidence. What you want? So for 4,000 or 1,000 or 2,000, if you go on adding it every day, say average 1,000 it is adding. 3 days, 1,000, 4,000. But I am saying 1,000 it is adding. 30,000 if it adds percentage wise, calculate how much it will come. 30 days, 30,000. Percentage wise, you can calculate how much it is coming. I'm not increasing the position size. I'm not using anything. Simple. My money is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Beginning it has started 1 lakh. Now also same 1 lakh worth of position is being taken. Whatever profit money it is kept, it is not utilized for taking any position also. Not withdrawn also. It is being sitting there itself. Not utilize idle sitting. I just want to test. It is a test account. I want to test how much it is giving. If I do not utilize things, do not take leverage, do not utilize profit money for initiating fresh positions, how much it is going to give. That's all. So evidence is, this is one of the fantastic field. This is one of the fantastic avenue where you can make wonderfully, you can make the money if you take my words seriously. Really, if you, because everyone have a hunger of money, it should be there. If there is no hunger for money, then you are not a human being at all. You are an animal, I can say. Animal eats, sleeps, things. We have a hunger for money, hunger for improving the life, hunger for everything. So that hunger is good. But I am using the word hunger, not greed. What is greed? What is greed and what is hunger? Here you see, this money grown to 1.58. My position did not change. That means I have a hunger, not a greed. I don't want this 58 to be employed. It is my realized gain. Why should I put it in risk? That is my hunger. My money is one. It has earned this much. Okay, let it be. I don't want that earning to go into the risk. That is called hunger. If I put this entire 1.58 into risk, then that is called greed. So greed will be, yes, hunger will give you to learn more, get your inner beings strong. It will motivate you, it will inspire you if you have a hunger. So it will ask you to introspect many aspects of life, many aspects of these things. So your confidence, it will increase. Greeds will give you fear, greeds will give you instability, greeds will give you disappointments, greeds will make you to repent for your mistake, but you will still keep on doing the same mistake. So that is why I said fast discipline, no leverage, let my money to grow slowly, but the way it is growing, that is very fast, but it is slowly accumulating. I am visualizing slow by slow. I'm not seeing every day 1,50,000 going up by 15-20,000. I am seeing this 1 lakh rupees every day growing by 1,000 rupees. That itself is a big return. I'm satisfied with that. So I am not increasing my risk. I'm keep satisfied with that. I am hunting for new strategies. I'm hunting for new avenues. I'm hunting how to refine this strategy to get more money out of that. My learning is improving. I am improving. So I am getting audience like you, those who are having the same inline thoughts of accepting my words or following my words, or accepting my path, or following my path, or accepting my advice. So that are the great things are happening in my life. So why should I have great? So that is what required. If everything is wonderful happening for me, why should I have great? If everything will start happening good for you, wonderful for you, then why should you have the greed? Greed is not required. We will be hungry, hungry to learn more, hungry to improve our life, hungry to get the luxuries of life, hungry to help others, hungry to for everything, anything, anything hungry. Means the food means you should get best food on the town you should get. That should be the great. They do not understand English. So for that, Hindi session will be from tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And any query, ping me or message me. I will help you. Thank you very much.